Okay.
Daddy. I'm in the snow.
I'm in the snow.
I'm in the snow.
I'm in the snow.
Morning. I'm still in my PJs, but it's not a Friday. We are at Nana and Pop-Pop's house. We have been snowed in for the weekend. Here's Savannah.
Do you like a sheep in a bacon? Yes. Unless you're over all night.
Aww. We are about to go
I need one too.
embrace the cold and the snow. We don't have any gloves for the kids. Well, we have like, each one has one glove. So they're probably gonna wanna come in the house real quick. But it's for fun's sake. Are your hands cold, Mama?
My hand,
Say hi.
Okay.
I'm in the snow.
I'm in the snow.
I'm in the snow.
I'm in the snow.
Playing in the snow is overrated. You like it? You like playing in the snow, Mama?
Yeah.
Taste it. Taste it. Lick it. Lick the snow. You're not gonna eat it? Mommy, eat the snow. It's cold. Eat it. It's cold. Like ice. It's yummy. Again?
Yeah.
Okay, again. Savannah. Savannah, did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Your time out in the snow?
Yeah.
Was it so much fun?
Yeah.
Came in boxes of 2.
This is what Dad looked like outside.
This is what you call a cold weather cat.
It's what, Dad?
Military, cold weather cat. It keeps you warm. This is warm. You feel no cold. You feel no cold at all. You have to, but hey, when you are out there in that sub-zero weather, you thank God for this.
We're heading home now, and this is what Mom and Dad are making Brian wear. Wait, back up. Back up, Brian. Just in case he has to get up and shovel, get out of the car and shovel snow. This is what he has to wear. You feeling good about it?
I'm warm.
All right, let's go.
All right.